Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Lucky Bailee Show. And today we're opening the SHOPKINS surprise egg.
Okay, so are we ready to open your first SHOPKINS surprise egg?
It has jelly beans and stickers.
It says there's jelly beans and stickers?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
I love cookie.
You love cookie?
Yeah,
Which one's cookie?
this one at the bottom. And this pretty one, the lipsticks one is called Lipsy.
Lipsy?
Yeah.
Ready to open it?
I can't open it.
Wow!
Stickers. This one is the jelly beans one. This one is the other jelly beans.
There's lots of jelly beans.
This is another jelly bean. 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 Then
Good.
the last one.
Let's count how many jelly beans there are. Can you
Yeah,
count for me? Go.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 jelly beans and your stickers.
And this one's the apple one. This one's the strawberry one. This one is the donut one. And this one's the lipstick one. This one's the popcorn one. This one's the cupcake one. This one's the shoe one. This one's the cookie one.
Cool. Are you happy with what you got?
Thank you.
And
To eat this one.
want to eat that one?
Yeah.
Okay, open one. How is it?
Good.
Is it yummy?
This green one is apple, and this dark blue one is blue raspberry. The jelly beans are so cute. Chewy. Thank you for watching my show. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.